Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today we are back at Dollywood and we've got a show and some rides to show you guys. So come with us. Okay, so to let you guys know a little of what we're doing today, we're going to ride some roller coasters that we haven't gotten to ride yet. And they are Tennessee Tornado,
Lightning Rod,
and the Dragonflyer.
Yep.
And then we are going to see a show today, and if you haven't guessed what it is, the Gazillion Bubble show.
We hear that it's world record breaking for bubbles.
Yes, yeah, bunches of bubbles everywhere, so you guys will get to see that. And we will eat at the
Till and Harvest Food Hall. That's like a mouthful.
It is a mouthful. Hopefully we can shove our mouths full with food. Okay, so first up we're gonna go ride Tennessee Tornado. So we will see you guys when we get there. All right, we've made it to the outside of Tennessee Tornado. About to go on and see what this ride's all about. All right, so we just got off of Tennessee Tornado and oh my goodness.
It's so much fun.
Yes, very fun, a lot of fun. 3 inversions.
Yes.
Did not expect that. And
there's a tunnel.
I wasn't gonna tell them about that. I wanted them to be surprised by it when they went and rode it. But yeah, there is a tunnel that you drop into before you start looping. But very fast, very fun. Highly recommend this ride.
Don't overlook it.
It is a good coaster. I like it a lot. So anyway, we are off to Dragonflyer now. See you guys over there. All right, we've made it to Dragonflyer. See you guys after. This ride looks fun.
So we just got off Dragonflyer and wow, it is so smooth. It takes off pretty fast too, surprisingly.
Yeah, surprisingly faster than I expected.
And I just think it's a great ride to introduce littles to roller coasters because it's smooth, it's not jarring. And we saw little kids on there too riding, and it was fun. It's really a good one.
like the initial drop, like when you first get up there and look at it, you're like, oh, I have nothing to hold on to.
Yeah.
I have nothing to hold on to. So, but it was a lot of fun. Highly recommend, especially if you've got little ones that like coasters. They're really gonna like this.
And good job, Dollywood. Honestly, giving you a small roller coaster to get like little kids on.
Yeah, like. This is a great introduction coaster for faster coasters.
Yes.
Honestly.
Yes.
So, anyway, we are going to go to the Till and Hill Food Hall. Food Hall.
Yes,
Food Hall.
It's a lot of words.
It is a lot of words. So we will see you guys, and that's not far away. It is still up here in the Wildwood Grove area. So we will see you guys when we get over there. We have made it to the Till and Harvest Food Hall, and we're gonna go in here and grab us a bite to eat. See you inside. So we've got a few options here. There's always cheeseburgers and chicken tenders, but there's also some rice bowls, nacho bowls, lettuce bowls, ancient grain wheat berry bowls as well. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna get. I'm thinking a rice or a nacho bowl, so we will show you whenever we get it. All right, so we each got a nacho bowl, both with the steak. You have an option of chicken as well, and queso. You can even put beans on it. Ash put beans on hers, I did not. We each put lettuce. I added some extra cheese and some pico, and we both have sour cream. I'm gonna grab a little piece of the steak right now. It's not bad. Let's go ahead and try one of these with some pico real quick. That's pretty good. That's real good. Like, I'm impressed. Not bad for theme park nachos. I mean, an upgraded theme park nachos. So, guys, don't miss the Till and Harvest nacho bowls when you come here. So, anyway, we're gonna enjoy our food, and then we will see you guys when we go to Lightning Rod. Or are we gonna go to the Gazillion Bubble show first? We'll find out. I think we're going to do the Gazillion Bubble show, and then we'll go do Lightning Rod. So, we will see you at the Gazillion Bubbles show. Theme park ducks making their way through the cafeteria. Quack, 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 quack. All right, we've made it to the Gazillion Bubble show, so we will see you inside.
Open your eyes.
So we just got out of the Gazillion Bubble show, and holy cow, were there Gazillion Bubbles.
I will say that I was very apprehensive. I thought this was going to be very kiddie and not appealing for us as adults. But wow,
Yeah.
I loved it.
I was actually very surprised as well. I was like, really? This dude blowing bubbles? But it's a dude blowing a bunch of bubbles. It's
Like 30 years old blowing bubbles. I'm like, why didn't I think of that career? Like,
no kidding, no kidding. I mean, it was just, it was incredible. Even the lasers, even the laser show side to it was just.
There's like an art and a science to blowing bubbles like that. I've never thought of just blowing a bubble like that.
He made a cubed bubble.
Yes.
I mean, it was crazy.
So cool.
Anyway.
Good job, Dollywood, picking that one.
Absolutely. So anyway, I think we're gonna go ride Lightning Rod, and we will see when we get over there. As we made our way over to Lightning Rod, we noticed that they've started decorating for their Christmas celebration here at Dollywood.
I just want to say, note, it's August.
It is August 1st.
I love Christmas. But
No,
November.
August 3rd. Sorry, not August 1st. So, anyway, we've made it to Lightning Rod, like I said, and we're about to get on this thing. So as we're waiting in line, it looks like the ride got stopped, and as you can see this train right here, it shot all the way up to the top, and I turned around and saw it having to go backwards all the way back down here. It's a safety feature, and what happens is this little spot right here where they're sitting is constantly cooled for when it gets too hot, and I guess it got a little too hot, and now it shot it up there and didn't get it up there enough, so now they've got to reset the whole system before we ride. They haven't sent us off of the ride yet, so I think we're still going to be good to go. They're going to unload these passengers, and then I think they're going to test it a little bit, and then we should be back up and running. So I'll keep you guys posted. All right, they've tested Lightning Rod, and we waited in line, and we're getting ready to get back on it. So here we go. Okay, so we just got off Lightning Rod, and not what we were expecting.
Super intense.
Super intense, super fast. And you know, we thought it was a wooden coaster, but it's actually a hybrid coaster. So it's part steel, part wood, and it was actually a lot more smooth than what we expected it to be. We don't do wooden coasters. It's kind of why we haven't ridden Outlaw Run in Silver Dollar City yet, because it messes with us. It gives me a bad headache. It gives her
dries your head really bad.
But this is supposed to be very similar to it, except they took all of the wood out and put in some steel tracks, and it was so much smoother and some steel bracing. A lot of fun. Don't miss this ride if you like super fast, intense rides. But anyway, that's gonna finish up our video for the day, and stay tuned for our next video. And to do so, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
bell notification button,
so that you guys don't miss any of our future theme park videos. And with that,
bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.